So after reading a comment yesterday, someone suggested that I wasn't making the tea properly. So I've had a look and I found out how to make the tea correctly. So I've got some Yorkshire Gold. What I do is I was going to boil the kettle, but realising that the kettle's got quite a bit of limescale to it, so I'm going to have to use a different kettle, one that hasn't got any limescale at all. So this is the kettle I'm going to be using today, one that has to go on the stove to reach optimum temperature. So no limescale or anything in there, brand new kettle, not used it yet, but I will do at some point. And you've got to use purified water as well, because obviously we live in a hard water area. That's that filled up. So to make sure that I reach the optimum temperature, I've got a temperature gauge to make sure that it is the right temperature for making the tea. Kettle is on the stove, or the cooker in this case. Optimum temperature is 212 Fahrenheit. While I remember, I need to heat the cup up. Boiling water in cup to heat up to the right temperature. So it says it says to make the perfect cup of Yorkshire tea, use 1 tea bag per mug. Pour freshly boiled water over it and steep for 4 to 5 minutes. Gently squeeze the bag before removing. Do not overmash. Add milk last and sugar if desired for rich, strong, smooth brew. Could be a long video this. It's coming on. Just need to bring that up to a slow rolling boil. So, a bit of boiling water in that one. It's coming. Here we go. There we go. We are at optimum temperature. Get it in there somewhere. Got 5 minutes on the counter. I guess we're stewing tea. Four minutes left. Says brewing time 4 to 5 minutes. Says preheat your teapot or mug with a splash of hot water first to keep temperatures high, as a cold vessel can drop water temperature below optimum. So as you can see, the optimum is there. We're still on 4 minutes. Three minutes. It says for best flavour, do not reboil water as this reduces oxygen content. We've got 2 minutes. So is there such a thing as a quick cup of tea? Still got 2 minutes. Here we go. Optimum between 4 and 5 minutes. I like sugar. There it is. A splash of milk. Not too much. A squeeze is all it takes. that should be the perfect cup of tea. Yeah, that's hotter than the sun, and I think I've just burnt my lip. But it's a proper cup of tea. I mean, there's the timer. If you like the video, give it a like. If you think I've done something wrong along the line, please tell me so, and then I can correct it the right way.